Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk about this dress that I made. I used a pattern that I'd purchased a while back, so I'm glad I got to use it. So let's talk about it. Let's get started. So the pattern that I use is called the Style Arc Olivia dress. That's this one here. It was part of a pattern haul that I did a while back. I'll have to check and see, and I'll try to leave a card to show you so you can take a look at that video. But I had bought several Style Arc patterns. These are the actual physical copies of the patterns, not PDFs. I had this was a free pattern. If you're not familiar with Style Arc, when you purchase a patterns every month, you have an option of a free pattern, and it's one pattern that you can choose to get for free. I believe it's usually a PDF if you are ordering PDFs. The time that I had ordered, this was the free pattern that I chose. So this is the dress here. I used this, it's basically like a quilting cotton. It is Robert Kaufman Florence collection. I'd seen it online. I really liked it. Couldn't find it anyplace else, so I went to G Street and I bought this. So it is perfect for a summer dress. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the fabric. Decided to go ahead and do something really easy, which was this dress here. Like I said, this one is the actual physical copy, and if you look on the back here, this is the way it's folded. You can still see that it is a multi-size pattern. This one goes from sizes 4 to 16. Now their sizing is a little bit different than like the big four, so you would have to look at their chart to see what sizes you would fall into. But this pattern was very easy. I did not make the belt to go with it. I didn't really have the kind of fabric or material that I would use to make a belt for this dress, because I wouldn't do it out of the same material. I would want to do something solid, like if I had a black faux leather or something like that. So I did not do the belt, but that's fine because it looks really good without the belt anyway. And this is something that I think I could wear not just for the rest of the summer, but certainly also for the beginning of the fall season. Certainly where I live, it's still going to be warm until October. So through most of October, it's usually pretty warm, so I could wear this with a jacket. I was really happy to use the pattern because I was determined when I bought this, it wasn't quite the season. I think we were going into fall and winter, so I didn't want to make it when I actually purchased the pattern. I was going to do it in the springtime. Springtime was a little cold, so didn't do it then, but I'm glad I did get it done. It's just a very simple pattern. It does not have pockets. That might be the only thing that I would add if I were to do this again. I would probably go ahead, take the time to add some pockets in on it, but you pull it over your head. It's got elastic at the waistline. I did lengthen the bodice by about an inch, maybe an inch and a half at the most. I did just lengthen it just a little bit because usually when I make something like this, where the elastic is supposedly at the waistline, it usually hits my rib cage weird and it's just uncomfortable. So I need to lower it a little bit. So I just lengthened by about an inch, and that was the only change to this that I made, I believe. And for this one, for this particular pattern, I did trace it because, like I said, it's multi-size. So with sizes 4 to 16, I definitely traced, rather than cut out, because I don't like to cut out patterns like this because then you're not going to have all the other sizes if you need them or want them later. But I really like this. It's just a very simple look at the back on the back, and it's a great length for me. So it's just super comfortable. Like I said, it's perfect for this time of year where we're at end of summer, and you just want to have something nice and comfortable, easy breezy to wear, and you know, either a blazer or a jean jacket, something like that, to give it a different look. And if you're going someplace that's cold, you know how it is when the AC is blasting inside. Yeah, there are plenty of options. Even with this print, it's got a lot of colors in it that I can use with this particular dress. But like I said, it's rated easy. But that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please, as always, leave them down below. I love it when you all comment and ask me questions. If you don't mind, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, because that actually will help to push out my content to other people who might be interested in watching my sewing videos. So I thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.